Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting our online biology class. Our today's chapter is chapter 12 and topic is human sex determination. As far I remember, chapter 12 DNA replication and DNA structure of the DNA both over, and the new topic human sex determination in chapter 12. First of all, we have to know the chromosome number of human. The chromosome number in human is 23 pairs or 46. Among them, 22 pairs, that means 44 are autosome, and only one pair is sex chromosome. We have to know at first what is autosome and sex chromosome. Autosomes are those chromosomes which are responsible in the formation of body. And the sex chromosomes are those chromosomes which chromosomes are responsible in determining the human sex. Sex chromosome in male and sex chromosome in female. Male body has both type of chromosome, X and Y. They are heterogametic because they can produce both type of gamete, X and Y. And on the other hand, female body has only one type of chromosome, X and X. They are homogametic because they can produce only one type of gamete, that is X and X. Only the X. They are homogametic. Heterogametic, they can produce both type of gamete, X and Y, because they have both type of chromosome, X and Y. Now, we will know how a baby becomes boy or girl. As we know, to make a baby we need a father and mother. The symbol of father or male is like this, and symbol of mother or female is like this. Father body has X and Y chromosome, mother body has only X chromosome. They can produce, father produce both type of gamete, X and Y. Mother can produce only one type of gamete, that is X. To make an offspring, we need one gamete from his father and another gamete from his mother. One gamete X comes from his father and another gamete X comes from his mother. X and X. Here, like the same way, one gamete come from father and another gamete come from mother, X and Y. Then how we know in offspring they make the zygote, X and X gamete, both gamete comes here and make the zygote. Zygote divides through mitosis and produce the offspring. Now how we know who is girl or who is boy? Here we can see X and X, one gamete from mother, another gamete from father. X and X, she must be a girl because she has only one type of gamete, one type of chromosome, that is X and Y. Here we can see he has both type of chromosome like X and Y, so he must be the boy because he has the Y chromosome which comes from his father. Now we know how a baby become boy or girl. So we know that mother plays no role in determining the sex because they always can produce the X or gamete which containing only the X chromosome. On the other hand, father can produce a sperms, that means gametes, both type of gametes like X and Y. So fathers are only responsible for determining the sex. Mothers plays no role in determining the sex. Goodbye students, see you in the next class. Stay safe, stay home.